I can stop the motor and rev her up tonight. Cause I'm a girl that drives really fast, past everything inside. Don't get me wrong, I still obey all the laws and rules. As I look in the mirror, I check my hair. Ooh, I look so cool. Look in the rear view, you can't believe it. We're gonna pass you. Push inside, left and go down. You thought that we'd be slow, now running faster. We're gonna pass you up. Push inside, left and go down. Beep, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Beep, 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 yeah, yeah. Well, I don't know where you heard the rumor that all girls drive slow. Cause we're always running round full throttle. Everybody knows. We drive to the mall, we drive to the store, we drive our parents crazy. And we always signal when we turn, cause girls are never lazy. Look in the rear view, you can't believe it. We're gonna pass you. Push inside, left and go down. You thought that we'd be slow, now running faster. We're gonna pass you up. Push inside, left and go down. Beep, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Beep, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. And so we win the race again as the boys sit and cry. They can't believe we beat them to the finish line. Well, maybe they have finally learned with girls they shouldn't mess.